Hi, Scratch Coder. Um, how to submit. So any drill, any assignment, we're probably going to submit basically the same way every time. So let's take a look at how we do that. First, we have a project name. We know we have a grow one in this case. In this example, it's grow one, and we want to walk through these steps. So let's do it here. So we want to save the project. So here we have our grow one project. Let's say that we've tested it a couple times and we are satisfied with it. All right, we want to save it to our computer. How do we do that in Scratch? It's a file operation, save to computer, and it saves it automatically to, it downloads it basically into for us to our computer. So I'm going to get rid of the other stuff. There it is right there. All right, and then what does it say to do here? All right, it says then along with that, and I'm going to move it. I'm going to actually copy the file, actually cut it into a new position, into the project area here. And there it is, our file. It tells us we want to make a README file. All right, so I'm just going to make a README file. That's a text file, plain text file, like that. Describe how to use the program. You can just do, whatever number of lines, a few lines to describe then how to use the program. Click the flag to start, then click the sprite to make it grow, etc. That kind of thing. Nothing long, something shorter the better. All right. So now we want to make a zip file. That's how we're gonna submit a zip file. We're not gonna submit these. We only can submit one file actually, and it's going to be a zip file. Tells us how to name the zip file is down in here. And actually, you can read this here too about the grading rules and such. But here is a page on naming that. So again, in grading, if you just click here, you can read this on how the grading is. All right. So anyway, here's a page on how to name the zip file, and it gives us an example. And I like examples really the best. So it tells us we're naming it like that. I can understand that format pretty well. Makes sense. So I'm going to make a new zip file here. And actually, yes, okay, compressed zip file. All right, instead of, I know that my file is called D1, or my assignment is called drill 1, and I'm going to use my name. You would use your name. All right, we just put these two things into it. When they're done, README should be done. I'm going to just drag them into it. I'm not going to trust the computer or the mechanisms. I'm going to look in there and make sure they're there. They are there. And this is the file we would then submit. That zip file, that D1, that .zip file is all we need to submit into D2L. So that's how we submit. All right, we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.